I use this company here to clean my headlights on my BMW. And you see, these are the tools that he used. And I told him that I don't think it will work, but he said, yeah, it'll work. But look at this light. It's in bad shape. So I called BMW and they charged $2,000 for a headlight. It's $2,000 each. So I paid this guy right here $85 to give it a try. And he said he's been doing it for 15 years. So he knew what he was doing. But I'm gonna show you I showed you the before, and I'm gonna show you the after. And you might can do this yourself, but you're gonna have to get the equipment to do it. I've tried it. I bought some stuff off Amazon, and it did not work. You see, he got the right tools to work with this. So he said it was from the sun, and he can get it done in about 45 minutes. And he did. You see, he got the right tools to do this with. He got a buffer, and you notice he got the best tools. We got the DeWalt grinder buffer. And you can't go wrong with DeWalt. We use it in the welding field when we're grinding metal and everything. But this guy is really good. So if you're in Houston area, just give him a call, $85, and he came to me. I gave him a tip, a few more dollars for driving over to my area. But I just sat there and watched him, and this guy's really good. Look how clear the headlight is getting. And BMW, oh my God, they're proud of their stuff. $2,000 for one headlight. I even went to a used parts place, and they want to charge $300-400 for a used light. So I decided to, hey, let me go give this a try. And I'm telling you, he said he's done worse lights than this. So if you need to get your lights cleared or clean or restored, headlights, and try this guy out, or just call somebody. Or you could just try to spend money and buy you some tools to do it yourself. It's going to cost you about $300 in tools. This is the final result. The light on the passenger side here on the left. Look at it. It's unbelievable. I didn't think it was possible to clean it that good. It looks brand new. So instead of paying $2,000 for a headlight, just get it restored. And you see my other light was okay. I should have got it done because now the one on the left looked better than the one on the right. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.